Guys, it is Ayush, and in this video guys I'll be showing you how you can trade and earn money in FIFA 15 Android. So let's get started. So here are the two tips on making money with FIFA 15. So the first is guys, you have to search for players with high buy now price and with low bid. So in the second tip is guys, you have to search for team of the week players, and then after when you get players, sell them for as much as you can. So let's move on. At first guys, we will be searching for players with low maximum bid and high minimum buy now price. So as you can see on the screen, as you can see guys, there are too many of the awesome players like Godin, Isco. You can sell them for um, about 10 to 5 to 10k, and if you got them for 20 3 or 4k, it will be awesome. So then now we are going to move on with the next step, which is team of the week. Take a player. I think no. Okay, this player is good, Diogo Figueres, and as you can see, just note the club, league, nation and position, and then type them in the search bar. So let me show you how you can do it. As you can see, go under transfer market, and put all the info of the players, Liga BBVA and Sevilla FC. Now when you search, you will got the player. As you can see, it is 10k, 12k, 1 million, 200k, and so on. I think you can sell it for about 15k. So if you get it for 10k or 6k, it will be awesome. So let's move on to selling players. As you can see, I sold many of the players. As you can see, Xavi, I bought it for 6k and sold it for 9k. The same as the Rafael, I bought it for 10k and sold it for 20k. I did all of the players with the same thing, and as you can see, I have two players, and just see, I bought them for 6.9k, which is pretty awesome. And if I quick sell them, even quick selling gives me 9.3k. Isn't it awesome guys? The same as this player. So I think I can auction them with 25k. I think, yep, it's 25k, and I think the buy now price should be 30k. And the same with the goalkeeper guys. I think it will go for 25k. Okay, so it's Higuain. It's for 5k, and I think none is good for it. 25k and 28k, I think. Yes, it's 28k. So just quick auction them, and you can earn up to 10k a day. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, like, and peace.